Welcome back to my point and click community for people with none to little IT experience. Today I want to short touch on to God mode in Windows 11. If you don't know what God mode is, then you are probably stuck somewhere before Windows 7 or Windows Vista. God mode is actually only a folder with references to 200 or 204 administrative tools for your desktop. It's just a way to organizing these tools for easier access. Some of these tools you can find in your control panel. And to get there, you just click on that Windows icon and start typing control and open your control panel. And in there are some of these tools what we will later see in that folder called God mode. Starting with Windows 10, Microsoft tries to move us away from the control panel and put more and more of these tools into the settings. So to get there, we all know we click on our Windows icon down there in the taskbar and start typing settings, and we get to our settings. Now let's close these windows and start creating our God mode folder. I don't know why they gave it this name, but that's how it is. To do this, we just right click any space, any free space on our Windows desktop. Now go and select new, select folder, and it creates a new folder on your desktop. Next, you want to give this folder the following name. Type exactly this in and it automatically makes your God mode folder with all the tools in it. Usually you see the icon changing of this folder, but it's Windows 11. It didn't change right away, but it will change later. So let's open it up and see what it is. Here we have all our tools. I'm not going through all these tools right now. I'm gonna do maybe one or two quick changes just to show you. The one thing I like to do is make shortcuts on the desktop for maybe the one or two tools I use on a regular basis. For instance, I have to disconnect my computer from the network real quick a lot of times. So I'm just gonna go down to our network and sharing center. I think it's down here. It's called the same as it is called in the control panel, but it is a lot easier here. There's my network and sharing center. Now I go down to view network connection, right click it and drag it out to the desktop and select shortcut. Now I have an easy and quick way to disconnect or reconnect my computer from the network. I want to say a big thanks to all the new subscribers. It really helps me out a lot. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like I said, it really helps to grow my channel. Thank you so much. Now we are just disconnecting the network and reconnecting it. That's how easy it is. 2 clicks now and it's done. It goes fast. In my opinion, this is a easy and quick way to access some settings. Like I make a lot of calls to Europe, so I need a second time zone displayed in my calendar and down there in the taskbar. To accomplish this, I go real quick back in my God mode folder Add another clock for a different time zone. I select the clock to display. This is Europe. I give it a display name and click OK. Now I put my mouse over the clock, and as you can see, there is my second time zone. Let's click on it, open that calendar, and I see it is 1:13 in the morning in Paris, so it makes no sense to call for me because there's nobody in the office. I wouldn't say this God mode folder is a fix for a non-existing problem. It is just a different way to access some of your stuff. And some people like it, some don't. So please play around with it, see how it works out for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and have a great week.